Snow Beast beam wiper blades are the ideal solution for vehicles navigating through extreme weather and sub-zero temperatures. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with 22mm push-button attachments. Before you begin, you'll need to determine the size of the wiper arm with a ruler, or by trying to push a penny into the end of the arm. If you have a 22mm arm, and for this install you do, the penny will fit in firmly. If you have a 19mm arm, it will not fit. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by grabbing the back of the adapter and pulling up. Discard the adapter. Next, find the adapter labeled 3H-8. Install the adapter onto the base of the blade by aligning the arrows on the adapter with the U-hole in the blade base. Now, snap it down into place. Ensure the wings on the 3H-8 adapter are folded in so they are locked in place on the front of it. Then, with the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the back end of the adapter into the wiper arm opening. Take note, the button in the middle of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the wiper arm. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away everything winter throws at you with your new Peak Snow Beast wiper blades.